This video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site Playgamego.xyz. Some people may unexpectedly see all these pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome browser. Playgamego.xyz attempts to trick you into clicking on the allow button to show some bad content to you. And really, these pop-ups may display some filthy content that is not really suitable for some categories of people. If you mistakenly click on that allow button, as I said, you may be forwarded to some junk resources in the internet. If that has happened, if you have clicked on allow by mistake, you should fix your browser urgently. Otherwise, you will keep receiving a lot of pretty filthy ads in the right part of the screen. Some of these ads may also display some other bad content. For instance, the pages that may promote adware, browser hijacking extensions, and other threats. So to get rid of these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, Site Settings, then scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this Playgamego.xyz, remove it from the list. And to make sure that the system is free of any other concealed threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. ComboCleaner.com, this is the official website of Combo Cleaner. Use this download button, install it, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.